나 누군지 알겠니? 어둠을 헤치며 달려가는 자동차 한 대.
ID.
비밀 시설로 들어가는 한 남자. 은밀하고 긴박한 작전을 진행 중인 듯. 관계자인 척 위장하고 아기를 찾는 거?
It's okay, baby. I'm taking you to mommy.
계획에 성공한 듯 아기를 데리고 빠르게 나가려고 합니다. 하지만 그때
Identification.
힘들게 아기를 빼오는 데 성공합니다.
You need to get dressed. We have to go.
모텔에 몸을 숨겼지만 위험한 상황. 또다시 쫓기는 두 사람.
They'll try to reach the Book of Inner Forest. Call base now.
아무래도 도망에 실패할까?
Hold on.
Target in sight.
Fire.
Lost sight of target. They've gone off-road. Gain elevation and sweep the area.
지금 유일한 방법은 숲으로 숨어버리는 것.
No, they will see us.
아기의 엄마는 현장에서 즉사합니다. 끝까지 쫓기던 에리크는 아기와 숲속으로 몸을 숨깁니다. 15년이 흐르고 그 아기는 이렇게 훅 가버림. 위험한 세상에서 벗어나 열심히 훈련받으며 살고 있었던 것.
German.
Werde es nächstes Mal.
French.
Prochaine fois, je le ferai mieux.
Human beings are.
Dangerous and not to be trusted. I can't hide.
하지만 호기심이 많을 나이.
Then why are you training me?
Because one day I may not be here to protect.
빨간 표시 라인 너머의 세상에 대한 궁금증이 갈수록 커지고 어느 날 넘어가 보기로 결심. 한참을 걸어가다 한 소년을 보게 됩니다.
Hey, скал себе тут IVVаш? You are not Polish. Where are you from? Hungry?
태어나 처음으로 먹어본 초코바의 정신 이름.
I can call my father, get you help.
No, don't.
Help you whatever you need. Fuck!
Tell anyone.
당황한 소년은 그냥 가버립니다. 에리크는 해나의 일탈을 눈치챈 후 걱정스럽기만 하고
Where were you today?
I was hunting as usual.
Called for you.
Maybe I chose not to listen.
I'm your father. You tell me the truth.
Blue killed mother, who were they? Why must I tell you everything and you tell me nothing?
이젠 말할 때가 온 듯. 다음날 또다시 그 소년을 찾아갑니다.
Do you have another Snickers bar?
They are called Snickers bars.
너무 맛있었던 듯.
You eat like an animal. Where do you live?
In the forest.
해나를 어딘가로 데려가는데 우와! 달려! 이곳은 나토 보안용 크반스크 위성시설.
Don't worry, nobody comes here.
둘은 그냥 별 보러 온 것.
And that's Venus. It only shows when it's not close to the sun. I don't know that one.
Beautiful.
하지만 그때
What is it?
Hey, what the fuck?
뭔가 예감이 안 좋다.
Did they see your face, Anna? The men who came?
Yes, I think so.
큰 실수였다는 걸 뉘우친 듯.
I'm sorry. You wanted to touch me.
Just a boy. Didn't mean anything. You want to live out in that world, don't you? Even if it's dangerous.
Maybe.
여기서 나가면 제일 먼저 찾아 제거해야 하는 인물의 사진을 보여줍니다.
She's the woman who killed your mother.
That's what you have been training me for. Now I'm ready.
결국 그날의 일로 두 사람의 은신처는 들키게 된 상황.
I know you still have a red flag around an agent called Eric Heller.
I want 20 meters coverage at 270 west. We found their cave. You have code red to kill the adult male on site. The girl we want alive.
포위당한 걸 느낀 두 사람은
To the address you gave me. He tells 224 Heinstrasse. Come every day at noon.
Marissa Wiegler?
I know. Don't trust her. She lies.
그동안 학습했던 기억을 되뇌이며 헤어지기로 합니다.
I have eyeball on Heller.
Code red confirmed. Take him down.
I lost him. We've got GPS coordinates on Werber's walkie. We're moving in.
그를 살리기 위해 자신이 생포되는 걸 선택한 해나.
Log her in as a terror suspect. And if anyone asks, the girl does not exist.
그렇게 모로코의 비밀 시설로 향합니다.
I want to speak to Marissa Wiegler.
마리사 비글러라고 나타난 여자는
You wanted to speak to me.
가짜인 거 다 눈치챔. 너 큰일 난 듯.
She's faking. Richards, get out of there.
순식간에 처리하고 도망가는 해나. 자신의 DNA 검사 결과지를 발견합니다. 드디어 바깥 세상을 보게 되는 건가? 도망은 계속되고 우연히 모로코로 가족 여행 온 소피와 만나게 됩니다.
Eric Heller's alive. And that's not all. I can't use official channels for this.
So you're using me?
계속 쫓기다 소피의 가족 덕분에 편하게 갈 수 있나 싶었지만
Authorities? We'll give you a lift to France.
잘못하면 소피의 가족까지 위험해질까?
Go closer. She's on her way to Daddy. So Hannah, how long you lived in Amsterdam?
Me and my father and my dog Bruno. He shits on the carpet. I go to the Klaus Kohler Gymnasium in Amsterdam. It's a very good school. It's on the canal.
소피는 예쁘고 자유로워 보이는 해나가 좋은 듯 엽서를 보내기로 한 약속을 지켜야 하는데 돈은 없고 헉 저러. 에리크의 어머니를 찾아온 마리사.
I'm here about your son. I think Eric might be coming to Germany. You know how dangerous he is.
He hasn't called.
Okay. If he gets in touch with you, you call this number.
소피를 따라 클럽을 가게 된 해나. 난생 처음 이런 곳에 오게 된 그녀는 제대로 일탈 시도.
Yidaswell, what is your name?
Hannah?
Open your mouth.
Hannah, no. Off. We have to go.
You're gonna eat him alive. You're on Snapchat, aren't you? What is Snapchat?
I'll just have to visit you in Holland.
I don't live in Amsterdam. I'm going to Berlin. I have to meet my father there. My father has been protecting me from people who are trying to hurt me.
비밀을 털어놔 버린 해나. 불안한데.
Ich habe für heute Nacht ein Zimmer reserviert. Werde ich hier doch nicht übernachten.
약속한 대로 도착한 해나의 엽서를 확인한 에리크. 해나에겐 소피와 헤어질 시간이 다가옵니다.
We'll take you to the station. You can get a train to Amsterdam.
해나를 노리고 있던 마리사.
I'm waiting for her to leave the family.
Bye, Hannah. Thank you. I don't want to leave.
This is my address.
결국 역에서 수상한 자들을 발견합니다.
Sophie, you need to get away from me.
Why? Hannah, wait!
그리고 보여준 해나의 격투 실력에 깜놀한 소피. 그렇게 급하게 기차에 올라타는 해나. 무사히 에리크를 만나러 갈 수 있을까? 드디어 해나는 약속대로 베를린에 도착합니다. 약속 장소를 찾았는데 에리크는 안 보이고 배가 너무 고팠던 듯.
Brauchst du was? MDMA? Vielleicht verkaufst du was, hm?
그때 나타난 에리크.
Where did they take you?
Somewhere hot, lots of sun. Met a family, and they took me to France, and then I got a train here.
Marissa Wiegler was there.
Someone tried to make me think they were her, but they
We're meeting some old friends from the army. Come on. It's my daughter.
그런데 사람이 어떻게 이런 데 살아?
Why can't we stay in a hotel?
This is all over. You can stay in hotels as much as you want.
When what is over?
Bring her here. 2 days.
How do you know Weekly will come here?
Anna told someone she was coming to. Said she didn't, but she lied.
Let's get started. Any sightings, you come straight to me.
It's time.
Where are we going?
You'll see.
밤중에 작전을 시작하는 에릭.
Scheinwerfer aus. Okay, los geht's. You see anything you don't like? It's the horn right there.
무기고에 무단 침입을 시작한 그들은 무기들을 챙기고 심심했던 해나는 댄스 타임. 그런데 그때 큰일 났다.
Nicht autorisiert, hier zu sein.
Da ist ein Loch im Zaun. Eventueller Einbruch am Potsdamer Waffenlager. GPS 515234. Hey! Hey! Sofort stehen bleiben!
아, 몰라 돌진. 거의 정신이탈 상태에서 모두를 차례 태우는데 성공합니다.
Just the left pedal down. Now right pedal.
추격도 따돌림. 이번에도 두 사람을 놓친 마리사.
Bureau's found Heller. I'll hand him over to you. And her too. And this time, no mistake.
The people behind you track, why don't they help you?
No, I don't want them involved.
Things that have a habit of haunting you. You don't have bad dreams. I do.
When you were in Berlin, what did you do for Marissa Wiegler?
After the army, I was poor. She had me find people across Europe, bad people. Eventually, I went to Romania, did my life again.
Dad, what work?
Enough.
도대체 무슨 일이길래 말을 못하는 걸까? 다음날 마리사는 무기고를 찾아옵니다.
We're military, or ex-military. 3 men, 1 woman and 1 girl.
Erik?
Folge ihr. Find raus, wo sie wohnt.
전날 밤 작전은 마리사를 유인하기 위한 에리크의 생각이었던 것.
I think Heller's using his old army network for help. Pull all his military records.
Okay.
Peacekeeping force. Lucas Taylor, English. Same UN mission as Heller.
이런 사실을 눈치챈 마리사.
Heller's got someone watching me. They were downstairs in the lobby, but he's lured me here.
그날 밤 옛 전우를 만난 에리크.
Ich habe eine Tochter. Ich versuche, ihr Leben zu retten. Niemand fährt wie du.
이렇게 부탁을 거절당하나?
Nur im Notfall. Ich verletze niemanden.
뭔가 잘 될 것 같은데? 에리크는 해나의 엄마를 처음 봤을 때를 회상합니다.
Hey, you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Are you sure about what you're doing? I'm sorry for your loss.
해나를 임신한 후 유산하려 했던 그녀를 막았던 에리크.
It's just what we talked about. I have another.
Of course you do. Thank you.
Lucas Taylor, want to come with us?
I'm looking for Eric. I hear he's in Berlin.
Oh, in 15 years. So you didn't help him rob an arms depot 2 nights ago?
Your financial situation.
People you're in debt to, you are gonna need it.
돈으로 설득하는 건 안 통하는 듯.
How much has Eric told you? Tell you about the girl? Who she is? Where you risk your life for him? You should ask yourself how much you know about Eric Heller.
돌아온 루카스.
Keep her to me.
I want to come with you.
I told you, you stay here. Lucas, you okay to watch the hotel tonight? Make sure Wiegler doesn't make a move.
What is this? What aren't you telling me?
Was hat sie da? Was ist das?
Liegen die Wiegler ihr Zelt.
자신은 이 작전에 끼워주지 않은 것에 불만인 해나. 화난 해나를 달래주는 에리크.
You know the forest. You don't know the city.
I don't want to lose you.
You won't. Okay, good. We're leaving now.
Lucas was scared last night. Why? He smells of fear, like a fox that knows it's dying.
그 말에 생각을 바꿉니다.
Come with us. This is the hotel.
결국 넘어간 거니 루카스.
They're on their way.
작전을 시작합니다.
Is that him?
배신해버린 루카스에게 다가간 에리크.
Wiegler still in her room?
What do we do now?
We wait.
에리크는 시간을 끌고 있었던 것.
Dieter.
Sorry. Erik braucht dich oben. Ich kümmere mich.
Der ist in Ordnung.
We should go.
You were always there for me.
에리크는 순간 루카스를 이용하기로 합니다. 그는 루카스.
Move in, get Heller.
Vom Wagen zurücktreten, habe ich gesagt.
Bleiben Sie zurück! United States Federal Enforcement!
하지만 그건 함정.
Wer ist das?
Das ist Hannah.
마리사의 전화.
I have Eric Heller.
마리사를 만나기로 한 카페. 오지는 않고 전화만.
Back in the car. I'll join you.
Okay, I'm at the car.
Get Costa again to start the engine.
그런데 마리사는 이미 잡혀 있었던 것.
Hello, Michael. It's been a long time.
Hallo. Ihr soll das? You want some Turkish coffee?
Erik Heller hat 2003 seine und ist seitdem spurlos verschwunden.
오 마이 갓. 드디어 마리사를 마주하게 된 에리크.
Badass CIA officer, drunk ex-soldier, no prospects. Look at him.
They're innocent. They don't know anything.
Innocent like Ioana Petrescu. Look what happened to her. I have an international warrant on me. If I walk out of here, the whole city will be after. Make sure no one follows her. I'll let you go.
Okay.
Woody.
복수의 시작인 건가?
Just so you know, I'm sorry.
무서워.
Was hast du dir dabei gedacht? Hast du mir versprochen, keinen Kontakt mehr mit ihm keinen zu.
Ich liebe dich.
Ich liebe dich auch.
아빠가 걱정된 해나는 결국 몰래 나가기로 결심합니다. 시선 돌리기에 성공한 후 차에 몰래 타기. 한참을 달려 어딘가에 도착한 디터.
Das ist Erik. Ich muss mit ihm sprechen.
Hängst du mit drin? Und deine Familie. Wenn irgendwas schief läuft, sagt er, schickt es an die Zeitung, an alle Berliner Zeitungen.
이번엔 에리크의 목소리를 듣게 됩니다.
How much have you told Hannah? Does she know who you are?
She doesn't need to.
Doesn't she deserve to know that?
Bist du das? Ich hab was gehört.
하지만 들키면 안 될 듯. 밤거리를 돌아다니다. 다시 니터의 집으로 들어갑니다.
Ich hatte Hunger.
Ich werde nichts sagen, wenn du es nicht tust. Und wir bewahren unser kleines Geheimnis.
Now you make the phone call.
Me at Bungel's Slave Cafe. 1 hour. Come alone.
본격적으로 에리크를 무사히 보낼 계획이 시작됩니다.
I have Eric Heller. Holding him in a secure location. Can't risk bringing him into the CIA and the German authorities getting their hands on. Relates to U.S. national security. I need you to authorize a rendition flight.
No, I don't have authority for that.
Please.
과연 성공한 걸까?
You lie well.
니터의 가족들이 나간 사이 뭔가를 찾는 해나. 에리크가 친아빠가 아니란 사실을 알고 충격에 빠집니다.
Where is Johanna buried? You told them I killed her.
But she signed it away.
요한나에게서 아기를 빼앗았던 그날로 돌아갑니다.
Trust me. Forget the child you had. Just go back to the life you had.
It's my baby. She's mine.
You're a good man, Daniel. You're not like the others.
You promised her something that you could not possibly deliver. We killed Ioana Petrescu together.
에릭, 무슨 짓을 한 거? 한편 마리사에게서 이상함을 느꼈던 마스너.
I think Eric Heller has her. Marissa Wiegler asked to meet you in a cafe. Was there nothing strange about that meeting?
She had a coffee. She gave it up. Said it made her anxious.
Give him his plane, just as he asked.
쉽지 않겠는걸?
In 1 hour, he'll make a phone call. Make sure everything is being done as we asked. What happened to the drugs?
We closed her down after you escaped.
What happened to the others?
Lethal injection. Utrex was a very risky operation. You cracked your vital.
그래서 에리크와 해나를 쫓았던 건가? 절대 비밀이래서?
People who must not know that she's alive. Pastor will follow you.
When we're in the air, he'll let you go. I love Hannah, and I loved her mother. Who have you ever loved?
뼈 때리는 말 한마디 한 후
Wenn sie telefoniert hat, töte sie.
칼 같은 에리크. 어딘가 차가워져 보이는 해나. 아, 저 상처는?
Give me a location on that.
해나를 찾으려는 놈들은 계속 진행 중.
How's the phone call?
Only the airplane and the pilot. There's no one at the airport.
Coffee's waiting for you on board.
뭔가 불안한데? 마리사를 제거할 타이밍.
Eric Heller's going to protect you.
Guys in Afghanistan, he saved my life.
Meisner?
Tell the team at the airfield to stand by. It's Jerome Sawyer. Friends from U-Track sent me.
이런, 마리사가 살아났다. 이런 사실을 모르는 에리크.
What are you doing?
참았던 해나는 폭발해버리고.
Aren't you my father? You said I didn't need to know the truth about who you are. You can't explain anything to me.
Listen to me, listen to me. Hannah, we have to go.
Did you kill her?
What? I loved your mother. I tried to save her.
Me alone!
Hannah!
결국 에리크는 떠나지 못하는 걸까?
Rudy!
Tell her this is Jerome Sawyer. It's over.
에리크가 위험하다. 아빠가 위험한 걸 알지만 다시 돌아갈 수 없는 해나. 다행히 구출됩니다. 또다시 놓친 듯. 친아빠가 아니라는 사실 외에도 에리크의 과거까지 알게 되어 절망. 갈 곳이 없었던 해나는 소피를 찾아옵니다. 에리크와 해나를 놓친 마리사.
The agency should know I'm your best chance of finding them.
Not anymore. So get out of my way.
결국 소여에게 임무를 빼앗깁니다. 부상이 심한 에리크.
Röntgenbild, um die Kugel rausholen.
Auf keinen Fall ist zu gefährlich.
상처보다 더 아픈 해나의 외면.
Hol meine Tasche.
Ich werde die Wunde reinigen und ihm etwas geben, um die Infektion.
His name is Dieter Schultz. He was Heller's squadron leader in Helmand, still lives in Berlin.
Pull up his details. Find out where he works.
Mention an operation. E-Tracks. You want to tell me about it? I can't find any record.
Thanks, Carl. We're done here.
소피는 심심해하는 해나를 데리고 나갈 생각인 듯.
We can tell them that you're visiting.
스트레스 푸는 듯 그냥 댄스. 그곳에서 뭔가 통하는 애와 눈이 마주친 해나.
Hi, Anton.
Hey.
How are you?
You two know each other.
Sanna. Like Japanese.
Yeah, bye, sorry.
She got way more beautiful over the summer.
그렇게 다시 은신처로 돌아옵니다. 해나가 있던 곳은 소피네 가족 벤 아니었는데 하필 그때 부부싸움 크게 한 듯. 들키는 건 아니겠지?
Things bad between them.
I think so. He went nuts and grounded me for a month. Maybe you got it right by running away. If you go, I'm coming with you because you're the best thing in my life.
You're the only thing in mine.
And now I can't go to Anton's movie night.
에리크가 은신해 있는 곳을 알아낸 소여.
I'm looking for Eric Heller.
I haven't seen him in years.
All this loyalty, where does it come from? Afghanistan?
As I said, I don't know where Eric Heller is.
그냥 가는 모습이 뭔가 수상한데 소여는 집에 와 있다.
Warum hast du mir nie erzählt, dass du einen amerikanischen Freund hattest?
애를 두고 협박하다니.
Where were we?
일단은 가정에 돌아와 생활에 충실히 보려는 마리사.
What exactly did the SWAT team see at the airfield before we got there? Like, could they have had an argument and she was refusing to go with them?
결국 해나가 있는 곳을 찾아냅니다. 당장 짐 챙겨 떠날 준비를 합니다.
You just came back and know that she'll be home when I return. I want a child with you.
Well, then you don't know me very well, do you?
이런 사실도 모르는 해나는 외출 금지당한 소피 대신 앤턴의 집을 찾아갑니다.
Sanna.
Hannah.
What can I get you?
함께 보는 영화가 하필
Can I get another beer?
Sit down.
Hannah! Please!
다음날 바로 짐 챙겨서 떠날 준비를 합니다. 해나 잡으러 달려가는 마리사.
Welcome home. You lied, Sophie, and you left Jay home alone. There needs to be consequences.
You know what? You two should just get f***ing divorced.
In seconds, we wouldn't fight all the time.
He didn't mean that.
He did. Just don't touch me.
기회다 싶어 해나와 함께 나가려는 소피.
I want to go to the forest.
I'm gonna guide you out, okay?
She know that you came last night.
Okay, people, let's go. Julie, can you meet me at Anton's in like 5 minutes?
앤턴도 함께.
Last night wasn't your fault. Don't worry about it.
I didn't know that you went.
어쨌든 간만에 일달에 다들 막 신났음. 사태의 심각성을 알 리 없는 해나. 지금 다 죽게 생겼는데 어떡함? 한편 리터가 연락이 안 된다는 소식을 들은 그때 리터의 배신으로 에리크는 잡히고 맙니다.
Hannah, I still can't believe that you did
She's a monster.
These two rabbits.
Where did you grow up? I think you're wonderful.
Racia.
이제 둘만의 시간. 이 시간 갇혀있는 에리크.
Where is she? I don't know where she is because she didn't tell me. Don't look so surprised. You made her that way.
다음날 눈을 뜬 한나. 해나와 앤턴의 사이를 모르는 소피. 결국 다시 집으로 돌아왔는데
I just get really out of it when I'm around you.
I think I left my keys in the front seat. When do I see you again?
Sophie likes you.
And then listen to me.
What is going on? Hannah, what's going on?
아, 말 못해. 이 시간 급 흥분한 소여.
You were supposed to be keeping her.
I was like you, so I know what you're going through. And I know. People you work for, I worked for them once. One day they spit you out. I can already see the fear in your eyes.
Where is she?
You knew that I liked him.
해나에게 급 실망한 소피.
I want you to leave. Can you leave it so it's tidy?
I can't control my body.
Pretty pathetic.
Sorry.
소피와도 이대로 끝나는 건가? 화가 잔뜩 나 있는 소피 앞에 나타난 마리사.
Claire is Hannah's mother. She's just flown in from America.
자신의 서류가 없어진 사실에 열받아 있는 해나.
You are here, but your mother's here. At the house, talking to mum and dad.
You haven't seen Hannah, have you, Soph?
You don't know where she is?
No.
Where were you last night?
Bit of Mother Nature. You know what I mean?
Which is why I need to take her back. You say deeply troubled young woman.
Do you have a phone? Yeah.
빨리 튀어야 해.
I just want to see her.
Hannah needs to be with her family.
To me like you.
do? You're gonna hit me.
What the hell? Get out!
I'm going.
Claire, listen, I think you should go. Excuse me. Get away from my son.
What do you know?
상황의 심각성을 알게 된 소피.
Downstairs now.
설마 마리사에게 잡히는 거 아닐까?
Hello, Hannah. You can run if you want to.
What happened to Eric?
Eric is dead.
Did you kill him?
Not me personally, no. Eric and I worked together long ago on a project. You were part of that project. Come and be special with us.
소피에게 작별 인사를 하러 오던 중 걸려온 전화.
Fine. Listen, this woman just came by. American.
It's Viegler. Where are you?
What the f are you doing sending somebody to my partner's apartment? That's my private life. I've got the girl. I want full authority over this operation. I want to talk to whoever is behind you and find out exactly what is going on.
이 시간 내내에서 뭔가를 듣게 된 소피.
In Romania, on the border with Ukraine, the whole area is blacked out.
What's going on? Claire and Hannah are going home to Chicago.
We'll send you an address so you two can keep in touch.
Come on, let's go.
2 minutes.
It says here that your mother is Johanna Petrescu. Do I let you go with her or not?
I don't know.
You should go, sweetheart. We'll be late for our plane. What did Sophie give you?
That's just our little secret, Claire.
그렇게 소피를 떠나는 해나. 그때 에리크를 사살하라는 명령이 떨어진 듯.
It's nothing personal.
Where's Sawyer?
쉬고 있는 해나를 보던 마리사는 혹시 흔들리는 거?
You're unique.
Unique just means alone.
순식간에 그들을 제압한 에리크는 유트락스가 부활한 사실을 알게 됩니다. 다시 니터를 찾아갑니다.
Ich brauche deine Hilfe. Ich brauche Geld.
Behalt's. Der meine Kinder bedroht. Ich hatte keine Wahl.
US Diplomatic Protection?
Yes, sir. It's at the end of the hall.
마리사와 있던 해나의 귀에 갑자기 에리크의 목소리가 들리는데
How did my father die?
He was shot at the airfield.
그 대답이 믿음이 안 가는 듯 그 시간 해나에게 오고 있던 소여. 하지만 그보다 먼저 도착한 에리크.
There you are. Actually, I want to show Hannah the spa. I'll meet you downstairs.
Leave the car waiting.
자연스럽게 마리사를 따돌리는 데에 성공.
Heller's here. He's got her. Armed. That's seen on the 4th floor.
Sir, the hood of the stairwell, floor 2.
It's very good. Thank you.
에리크의 작전이 통한 듯. 혼란스러운 사람들 사이에 숨어 조심히 내려가는 두 사람. 일단 그들에게서 벗어나는데 성공합니다. 마리사를 보자 총질을 멈추는 해나. 그리고 마리사 또한. 한편 다시 시작된 유트락스 프로젝트.
Medication and physical checks will be at 900 hours.
California, Colorado, Delaware. We hold these truths to be self-evident.
She tell you what they were doing, Lord, how certain mutations might affect a newborn child to gain advantage. Hannah, your mother was very young. She died trying to save you.
해나에게 친아버지가 있다는 사실을 알려주는 에리크.
He's still in Romania. You want to live with him? If you could.
해나와 에리크를 놓친 후 열받은 소여.
You lined up a shot when she was in the helicopter. You didn't take it. And you don't come near me again.
치료가 필요했던 에리크는 낡은 열차를 선택합니다. 루마니아로 향하는 두 사람.
I have to see someone. On the way.
This is Norris. One of your computers was hacked into in Berlin. We think it was Eric Heller.
에리크가 유트락스 부활 파일에 접근한 사실을 알아버림. 오래전 떠났던 집에 온 에리크.
Hallo Mutter. Brauche Vatersgewehr. Wir gehen jagen. Wir mussten.
Ist das Mädchen deine Tochter? Warum bleibt ihr nicht? Es ist spät, ihr könnt nicht die ganze Nacht durchfahren.
Let's stay. I'd like that.
He was always fighting the system. Said his only duty was
Protect those he loved.
사실 어머니는 마리사의 거짓말을 믿고 에리크가 온 걸 알리려고 했던 것.
Marissa Wiegler.
다음 날 서두르는 에리크.
Wollt ihr noch Brot und Wurst, bevor ihr geht?
Wir haben keine Zeit. Wenn jemand kommt, wir waren nie hier.
두 사람이 떠난 후 도착한 마리사.
He left 3 hours ago. He was going hunting in the east. Do you think he might hurt her?
그때 마리사를 쫓아온 소여.
You don't get the message, do you?
Why is Eric Heller heading east? What aren't you telling me?
Take her out. I think he's going there.
249.
There is to be no talking.
Where are we going?
Taking you to your plane. Plane will take you back to Paris. It's through those trees.
마리사는 자신을 죽이려고 한다는 걸 눈치챕니다. 힘들어하던 에리크는 중간에 쉬어가기로.
You've been here before.
The night before your mother died. No, we couldn't sleep at all. We were so scared. Scared you'd die on us. I loved her.
I know.
집에서 가져온 총을 호텔 옷장에 다시 돌아올 생각인 듯. 에리크가 올 거라는 걸 알고 먼저 시설에 가서 기다리려는 소여.
ID? No sign of Heller?
No, sir.
Make sure the perimeter is manned.
Guards stationed at all corners of the compound. We have 360 eyeball.
해나를 친아빠에게 데려다 주려는 에리크. 친아빠의 집에 도착합니다.
Fourth floor. If you don't like him, you never have to see him again.
What about you? What happens to you?
You deserve a life, not running. We are looking for a...
드디어 만남에 성공하는데
Hi.
생전 처음으로 만난 자리. 어색하기만 한데
¿Dónde mamá y
She can't be with us. I'll be back tomorrow morning.
You're planning something. What aren't you telling me?
I have to do this.
Promise me you'll come back.
I promise.
얼마 후 에리크가 시설로 오고 있는 게 밝혀집니다.
Hella stolen cars just been spotted in the Brash of Hill.
Subject seen driving west near the village of Dorohoy.
그 시간 마리사는 그들이 묵고 있었던 호텔로 향합니다.
I'm meeting my husband here. He's with a girl about 15.
There is a man staying with his doctor, yes.
I will take room 11 while I wait.
I'm glad you're here.
마지막으로 해나를 부탁하려는 에리크.
She's your daughter.
Yes. I know it.
Because I'm not coming back.
불길함을 눈치챈 해나.
Was that he who called you? Where is he? And where is he going?
Okay, you can't stay out here. Come back in.
He's gonna do something stupid.
Just come back in, okay?
Where's your car?
에리크의 차가 도착합니다.
We have a satellite location on Heller's car. It's a small motel 2 miles west of Dorohoy.
시설을 폭파할 계획인 듯 그때 마리사의 전화를 받습니다.
I was still working with them. Why would I call you now? Why wouldn't I just execute you? Why give you the chance? Why are you going back to your tricks?
You started the program again.
If that's true, they did it without me. They were waiting for you. You were walking into a trap. Is this a suicide mission? There's people behind Sawyer that you don't even know about. They'll find Hannah. I can help you. I can make her safe. Only personality. I do it all the time. They'd never know. Because she's my responsibility.
같은 호텔에 있다는 걸 알게 된 에리크.
Her only chance.
마지막으로 마리사의 말을 믿어보려 하던 순간 곧 들이닥친 소여.
She doesn't know.
No, I didn't know!
에리크를 향해 집중 사격 중.
Hold your fire. You're surrounded, Heller. Come out. Take him out.
이 시간 에리크에게 열심히 달려가고 있는 해나. 이렇게 죽는 건가 생각하고 있던 그때 해나가 돌아왔다.
I'll cover you.
두 사람은 힘을 합쳐 그곳을 빠져나옵니다.
The lockdown will continue until further notice.
We have men down. Sawyer's disappeared. What the hell's going on?
소여는 마리사가 데려갔는데
What did Eric Heller find out?
Doing what you failed to do. Finishing the job.
에리크의 몸에 박힌 총알들을 빼내는 해나.
I found it in Berlin. Utrecht started up its program again. It looks like they finished it this time.
We're getting them out of there.
The trainees can't be left in there any longer. It's not safe. I need to release them. I need to medicate them.
I can't do that, sir.
You have no idea what you're playing with.
Something's gone wrong.
Talking is not permitted in emergency lockdown mode.
They're not in control anymore.
목적지로 가기 전 요한나의 무덤에 들른 두 사람.
No?
아이들을 데려갈 큰 차가 필요한 듯.
Okay, turn here. Turn here. Stop.
목적지에 도착한 그 시간, 마리사는 소여에게 새로운 지시를 내리게 합니다.
Carefully.
Heller escaped with the girl. I think he's heading your way. If Heller comes, kill him. But I want the girl alive. How do you know Heller will go back there?
He's atoning for the sins of the past. I put dead babies in a furnace.
You couldn't kill the girl.
탈출해야겠다 결심한 소여. 겨우 정신 차린 소여는 마리사를 아예 보내버릴 작정인 듯. 하지만 그냥 죽을 마리사가 아니. 시설에 도착한 두 두 사람. 거침없는 해나의 모습에 깜놀.
242. Look out your window. Someone's here.
This way. You shoot to kill. Girl, we want alive.
에리크는 예전 해나를 구했던 곳을 기억해냅니다.
They've locked them in. Open the door.
I can't.
I'm going to get you out of here.
Door's in automatic lockdown. I can't open it. They have been told to stay silent. I'm different.
I'm going to find a way to open the doors, okay?
Guards. 8 of them coming from the west entrance.
제압에 성공한 해나는 어디론가 달려갑니다.
You're Eric Keller.
Who is he?
All those years ago.
Open the doors.
They need medication, regular monitoring. They're...
그곳에서 만난 두 소녀.
What is your name?
I'm known as 249.
Your name is Clara.
Who is Samira Mahan?
She's your mother.
시설로 간 그들을 쫓아오는 소녀.
It's okay. My name is Hannah. I was born here. The guards are all gone. You don't have to stay anymore. I'm here to help you.
하지만 아이들은 떠나기 싫어하는 듯. 그때
Attempting to prevent your evacuation should be eliminated.
이게 지금 무슨 상황?
They're going to attack.
아이들은 명령대로 로비로 향합니다.
Come back. Come with us.
어쩔 수 없이 클라라만 데리고 가야 할 듯.
This way.
상처가 아직 아물지 않은 에리크는 힘들어하는데
All units proceed. We have time limited code 73 shoot on site.
이 시간 마리사 또한 도착합니다.
Bye.
Training 249 broke with the order.
Get them out of here. Everyone in now!
분명 에리크 제거 작전인 듯.
Destroy everything!
모두들 떠나자 나오기 시작하는 세 사람.
Take cover.
Heller and the girl are in the shooting range. No exit.
하지만 그들을 포위하기 시작하자 모두 죽여! 하지만 그때 클라라가 총에 맞는데
It's okay.
회복할 기미가 안 보이는 에리크.
You have to go without me. Anna.
Don't move. Let her go. Too late for that.
설마 이렇게 죽는 거?
Who is she? I'm a friend. You can't be found here. You should go.
마리사의 도움으로 그곳에서 멀리 벗어납니다.
Jerome Sawyer's dead. I'm wounded. I need assistance.
We're taking you to a hospital.
He said leave him with her. What's he talking about?
에리크는 살아날 가망이 없어 보이는데
Wake up.
해나는 엄마 옆에 에리크를 묻어주고 명복을 빕니다. 루마니아 북부의 드넓은 숲으로 피한 해나와 클라라.
If we're never going to leave, why are you training me?
You'll have to cope on your own.
그런데 저건? 발각되면 끝! 스만! 들키지 않았다. 다행. 일단 무기들을 털어야 돼.
What is that?
They said it keeps us calm.
So we can put you straight on the NSA main floor. Classified projects. Welcome.
클라라를 제외한 나머지 훈련생들은 다른 교육시설로 이송됩니다.
Welcome to the Meadows.
You're now entering the second stage of your development. Medication will be reduced and rules relaxed.
새로운 신분을 받게 됩니다.
John.
Around what happened at the Utrax facility.
소요가 죽고 에리크를 놓친 마리사에게 상황을 묻는 중인데
You were right about Helen. He didn't make it.
Where are we going? What's in there?
마리사는 에리크로 인해 중단된 유트락스 프로젝트가 다시 시작된 사실을 듣습니다.
Socialization is complete. We transferred into the field. All we have to do is flip a switch and they'll do whatever we ask.
유일하게 명령을 거역한 클라라.
We need to bring her back.
마리사가 필요하다는 뜻.
If they're in the forest, you'll never find them.
Maybe you don't want us to find her. Did you become attached to her?
I don't feel anything, John.
Did you really shoot Eric Keller? But you give me trainee 249.
새 신분으로 사회화 작업 중인 훈련생들.
What's the name they gave you? Sandy.
Hi, Sandy. That's your name, isn't it? About trainee 249.
Bring her back and offer her that chance.
I heard her talk to this girl through the door. She said we were free.
Did you go to the door and look? What happened when you went to the door?
She showed her something on the screen.
She showed her who her mother was.
마리사는 클라라가 과거의 친엄마를 찾아갈 거라는 걸 직감한 후 대비하려는 듯.
She's Egyptian to Romania. After she gave her baby to Utrecht, she disappeared.
하지만 친엄마의 기록은 없는데. 오두막에서 생필품을 훔쳐 겨우 살아가는 해나와 클라라.
How can we stay in one of those cabins we stole from?
It's not safe.
해나가 이젠 에리크가 하던 보호자 역할. 만일을 위해 열심히 훈련 중.
You okay?
Are we gonna stay here forever?
Drugs under your skin to keep you sleepy? That thing in the sky, it wasn't after me, it was after you. In the whole wide world, this is the only place we are safe.
So there are 30 trainees. We, backstory for them, family, youth and males, post. You chat with them on all the online platforms.
Food's available 24 hours a day. From now on, no phone calls home.
본격적으로 훈련에 돌입한 아이들.
Hi, Sandy. Just posting to see how you are finishing high school. Right when you can. Mom.
Sometimes, of course, I get lonely.
그러던 어느 날 클라라가 일탈 행동을 하고 마는데
Nara?
클라라 찾으러 나서는 해나.
My mother's name's Samira Mahan. I need to find her.
바로 찾아낸 건가?
You're staying in a hotel near Bucharest.
해나가 도착했을 땐 아무도 없고.
You want me to message her? Tell her you're coming?
Say her daughter wants to see her.
하지만 그들이 연락한 상대는
And what about Hannah?
We're leaving Hannah alone, just like you asked.
이렇게 은신처를 들켜버립니다.
Nobody here, sir.
숲을 뒤지는 사이 남아있던 대원들 앞에
I just saw something.
Target contact! All back to the cabin! Engage!
Hey, look, your mom.
두 시간 만에 도착한 호텔.
Mom?
Sit down, Clara. I need to talk to you. Your mother chose to give you up after you were born. We're going to give you a new life. We can make all this happen for you.
I don't want that. I want her.
I know, but she's gone.
속았다는 걸 안 클라라는 도망가려 하지만
They found the cabin in the forest. Gas explosion in the cabin. We never had any intention.
Get out.
Where did you take her?
해나가 죽었을 거라 생각하며 슬퍼하는 마리사 앞에 짜잔.
I'll be returning to the company, and I'd like a full domestic clean.
파리로 돌아온 마리사와 해나. 메도스에 들어간 클라라.
Your mother is dead. See, the truth is, without us, none of you would be alive. It has to be here.
What happened to Hannah?
I'm afraid she didn't make it. Her decision, not yours. It's okay. Can I show you something?
훈련생들의 모습을 보게 됩니다. 사무실로 복귀한 마리사.
Langley sent her. She has full authorization.
Marissa Wiegler, head of section.
Sonia Richter. Pleasure to meet you, ma'am. She returned to the offices this morning. I've sent over all visuals.
존이 마리사를 감시하라는 지시를 내린 것. 마리사는 눈치깠음.
Find it okay?
해나를 잡으려던 적에서 보호자로 바뀐 마리사.
Hi, Mr. Kladsky. I just wondered if you thought about what I was asking you a few days ago.
해나를 안전한 곳에 숨겨두려는 듯.
Just think of her as a girl who deserves a fresh start.
그리고 소니아를 처리하기로.
You call John Carmichael once a day. And in the meantime, if I see your face again around my private life...
무시무시한 협박을 하고 가는 마리사.
Ça va te coûter cher. Faut que je trouve une identité volée.
I need a few more days to organize this. They think you're dead. You have to stay that way. I know Eric offered you this.
유트락스에 다시 들어간 클라라는 아직도 불안한 상태.
Rebel, I guess, but like God, we value our rebels highly. We just need to give her more time.
뭔가 고민하더니 샌디를 만납니다.
You know the girl who broke in? She's dead. Did you help them? And you decided that that is what I wanted.
싸우자는 거냐? 파이트! 뭔가 의심스러웠던 해나.
Je voulais savoir si je pouvais t'emprunter un peu de café.
En fait, moi, c'est Félix. Le café.
오케이, 일단 혼자 떠나기로 결정.
Hannah?
Séparé avec le portefeuille de mon père.
놀란 마리사는 해나가 뭘 했는지 확인하기로 합니다. 임상 실험이 진행 중인 제약회사로 직접 들어가는 해나.
Lucy Wiegler.
Did you apply for this trial?
Are you doing the trial? If I give you this money, will you let me take your place?
들어가는 게 목적.
Go home and don't ever come back. Monica Gassner. Okay, allez dans la salle d'attente.
As you know, this is a 3-night trial.
This way. Just a small relaxant, nothing to worry about.
해나는 클라라를 찾으려고 했던 건데
To this line, you'll feel a small pinch.
주사를 맞은 후 참을 수 없는 고통이 찾아듭니다. 결국 참지 못한 파괴력 폭발. 클라라가 메도스에 있다는 걸 알게 됩니다. 약물 임상시험에 사용된 약이 메도스의 훈련생들을 위한 것. 위험한 순간 나타난 마리사. 연구원 2명이 죽자 큰 사건이 되어버립니다.
Monica Gassner, history of anxiety and depression, which we think she lied about on the forum. Shipment for the Meadows is secure.
Accelerate delivery. Do it yourself.
관계없는 여자애가 잡히고
This is Clara's. Clara is gone. You can't save her.
And they will kill her.
You're dead to them right now. You have to stay that way.
If we don't do something, she will die.
클라라 구하기. 오케이?
I'll give you 2 days. Then I make the call.
해나는 패스웨이로 돌아와 도망칠 때 봤던 남자 리몽을 쫓기로 합니다.
I can't see him.
Salut.
Ça va te coûter le double.
Oui, bien sûr.
How can I help?
I'm going to be pissed at anyone. It should be Carmichael.
Don't worry about it.
Thinking maybe we could start with a coffee.
How about sometime next week?
Good.
리몽 발견.
De la sécurité accrue.
부안이 강화되어 삼엄한 분위기 속 리몽의 차열소에 발견.
Why does nobody believe me? It wasn't me. Yes, it's her.
그 시간 해나의 존재가 들켜버리고
Have you heard from Hannah?
What do you mean, John? You told me Hannah was dead.
If she does try to contact you, you call me immediately, okay?
Where are you, Hannah? They know you're alive.
이런 사실을 모르는 해나는 리몽을 쫓습니다.
Where are you, Hannah? They know you're alive.
I'm following him. He's eating in a diner.
Send me the address now.
소니아는 해나가 있는 곳을 바로 찾아냅니다. 한편 해나는 메도스로 약을 운반하는 사실을 듣게 되고
Demain midi, même endroit que d'habitude.
Si tu portes cet arbre, qui mène au vieux manoir.
허! 봤다!
Ta voiture, ça?
그때 도착한 마리사는 소니아를 제거하려는 듯.
Why do you never listen to me? You get in this car. Elle a volé les clés de son père. He'll pick up his fucking car later.
We have to follow the truck. It's going to the meadows.
다행히 난감 상황에서 벗어납니다.
We find her, we get her out, we leave.
Can I see Clara's passport?
Yeah. She in Paris? Is that why you're calling me?
Hannah's alive. She killed one of my people. I think it was Hannah. I need you to find her.
존의 명함을 본 해나는 속은 느낌 장렬.
This is Carmichael.
Hannah!
Hannah? What are you doing? Hannah, it's me.
I'm the only ally you have.
배신했다고 확신한 듯
You always lie.
혼자서 클라라를 구하러 가는 해나. 드디어 메도스에 도착합니다. 하지만 클라라는 시간이 지나 이제 잘 적응해버린 듯 해나는 바로 포위당합니다.
Companion here.
This is Vesuvius. I'm in northern France, looking for Hannah.
We caught her yesterday.
해나에게 당했지만 그래도 해나가 걱정되는 마리사. 도착하기 전에 만반의 준비를. 교통사고로 위장합니다.
It was a bad one. Cars arrived. We towed it, cleared the scene.
My fault. I fell asleep at the wheel.
Yeah. She's still not communicating, and we've tried everything.
Take me to her. Hello, Hannah. Wait. I'm sorry about all this. They say you came through northern France, tracing your way back to Clara. You were following a shipment.
죽은 소니아의 사진을 보여줍니다.
You don't have to say anything. We know you killed her. If it was me, I would have done the same. Do you trust me?
Maybe.
Believe me, you won't regret it.
무슨 상황인지 의문이 드는 듯.
Why did you come here?
I came to get you out. Help me get to know the place. Because maybe I want to stay here too. I could get you to show me around.
클라라에게 뭔가 신호를 준 듯.
This is where we do indoor training. This is the main building where we have our classes and dorm rooms. Clemency's my name now.
프로그램에서 만들어준 이름과 가짜 삶에 적응하며 살고 있는 클라라.
But your name isn't Clemency.
빠르게 감시 카메라 위치들을 파악하는 해나.
Code red all units. Code red all units. Trainees out of bounds.
I tried to find you. It's my fault. You don't have long.
Can't take it out, Hannah. They'll notice.
They fill you with drugs and you let them. In Canada, it's beautiful. It's all been arranged. Marissa Vigla, she's here. She's going to help us. They're training you to kill people. That's all they want.
클라라, 시간 없어.
Come with me, Clara.
Just having the smoke?
This is John Carmichael, the director of the Meadows.
How was the facility? Did you like it? Better? We'd like you to consider staying here.
무서운 목적으로 따뜻한 척 말하는 존이라니.
It's okay. Just so tired.
We'll go and set everything up for you.
Thank you.
그럼 새로운 생활을 시작해볼까?
Her name now is Mia Wolf. She's from Germany. When you're finished with your years with us, you'll be given a new life. You're soldiers. You are a bunch of very remarkable young women. And I want to welcome Mia.
가슴 웅장해지는 환영 인사.
Apparently you took out like 50 guards.
Didn't take out 50 guards.
See you later, Clem.
She fits right in.
But it means my work is done here.
We are so close, Marissa. I'd love to welcome you back with open arms.
And are you gonna tell me the truth? Who's paying for it? Who's giving the orders? As I thought. Well, I would rather go tonight if that's possible.
마리사는 해나와 클라라와 함께 나갈 계획.
Party tonight? Our dorm common room, 9 o'clock.
Sure, I'd like that. Great.
Everyone in their rooms at 9. Doors are alarmed. Camera switches off.
Find a way.
그런데 클라라는 아직 확신이 없는 듯 샌디에게 계획을 말해버립니다.
She wants me to leave.
When?
Tonight.
불안한데 드디어 통금 시간이 다가오고
Just wanted to say goodbye to Mia.
Thank you. The doors are alarmed after 9.
작전 시간이 다 되어가는데
Carmichael wants you at the southeast perimeter.
유유히 나가는 마리사.
Put this on, please.
And we wait till we're through the gates at least.
Sure.
마리사의 계획 또한 시작되었다.
Okay. Now we need the hood on.
sorry.
What's going on?
What have you done?
This is where you belong, Mia. Where are your family?
우와, 큰일이다.
Let's talk about Mia.
Her name is Hannah.
Still no sign.
하지만 아직 희망이 있다.
Hi, Mia. Nice to meet you.
So you make up their names, the families, and the pretend lives. What happened to Marissa?
Where's Hannah?
You were with Hannah in Belgium, which means you lied to us. Nor do I have any evidence you killed Jerome Sawyer, but you did. A professor of yours by the name of Thomas Kaladsky, hired from a certain Hafiz Mustafa. Who is this for? Lock her up.
해나와 클라라 탈출시키려다 완전 망한 마리사.
Get up! I said get up!
My mother died trying to save my life. I buried his body next to my mother in a Romanian grave.
짜증지수 업된 해나는 지금 폭발하는 중.
This is all lies! My father's gone. He's not coming back.
My mother's dead too. What they offer.
It's not real.
But it could be.
You're not you anymore.
I haven't changed.
You chose to.
Hannah.
일단 훈련에 참여합니다.
You have been assigned teams. Whoever gets the flag wins. Red team, move!
Where the hell is she going? We haven't been sent out yet.
Women's team! Hands do we have? She left us totally exposed.
외부에 누군가 있는 걸 발견하는데
The truck. I found it.
해나는 어릴 때의 기억 때문에 트라우마 생긴 듯.
It's in here.
해나 승.
I could have killed you for leaving us, but you kicked out.
근데 이거로 뭐 하라는 거?
I don't want it.
그날 밤 내부로 들어가는 마리사의 주력자.
Your transport's here to prove to you that the fight's over. She already does.
Why not just kill me, John?
But the powers that be.
설마 해나 적응되고 있는 거 아니지? 뭔가 결심한 마리사.
What about some water?
이번엔 실수하지 않고 해나와 함께 나가겠어.
You watched them all night? It's my job. Listen, we need to move fast. The guards will be there soon. We have help. We have to leave now.
I don't want to go.
해나는 생각이 있는 듯. 메두스 설계도?
We have radio silence in the isolation zone. Check it out.
Where are you, Marissa?
Curfew's not over. Go back to your room.
찾았다. 해나.
But you are not safe here.
I'm so tired of running.
But we need to go now. That's not your father, Hannah. That's a computer program. But that's not true. Your weapon to...
최선을 다해 해나를 설득합니다.
And where is it? Where do I belong?
With me.
결국 데리고 나가는 마리사.
Okay, let's move.
Clara.
Don't let you make that mistake again.
그때 나타난 클라라.
Don't.
That's not your family, Clara. My name is Clemency. They have lost track of her, but that doesn't mean she's dead.
총까지 맞은 마리사. 클라라 때문에 또 잡힐까?
She tried to force Mia to leave with her. Mia shot her.
해나 구하려던 마리사. 이번엔 못 풀려낼 듯.
It's okay, Mia. You're safe. You're with us now.
Dear Mom, all is well and good here. The new girl, after a shaky start, has settled in well. Maybe I understand Mia better than anyone.
강제로 다시 훈련 생활을 해야 하는 해나. 유트락스 프로그램을 밝히려는 내부 고발자가 있음을 듣게 되는 지언.
Intercepted an email. It's time these girls did what you trained them for.
다음 날 첫 임무가 내려집니다. 런던의 기자 니콜라 고프에게 익명의 정보원이 붙을 거라는 얘기.
The source goes by the codename Tacitus, and we need to stop Nicola Gar from reaching.
몰래 숨겨놓은 자신과 클라라의 여권을 꺼내보는 해나.
Mia, you're first. Take the front car.
그들이 떠나고
The night you tried to escape from the meadows, someone helped you.
There wasn't anyone.
Does the codename Tacitus mean anything to you?
He's my dog.
런던에 도착한 해나는 그냥 새로운 곳에 왔다는 설레임이 더 큰 듯. 도착하자마자 첫 번째 작전은 줄스와 우연히 만난 척, 그리고 니콜라와 연결해줄 메서니를 만납니다. 메서니에게 친근하게 접근하기 시작한 줄스. 이번에는 클라라와 샌디에게 임무를 주는 존.
Involves travel abroad. It's an active operation with an element of risk.
둘을 바르셀로나로 보내 양쪽에서 작전을 진행합니다. 새로운 곳에 처음으로 나와본 이들도 위험보다는 설레임이 큰 듯.
You're American, right?
Yeah, I'm Clemency.
Juan.
걷고 있던 해나에게 다가온 마리사의 주력자 스티븐.
I work for a group that's trying to expose you tracks and the organization behind. Marissa called me when she learned about the Meadows.
Dad, stay away. I work with them now.
I'll be here, same time every day.
메서니의 초대를 받은 줄스를 따라 함께 오게 됩니다.
Academic here, the one you mentioned?
It's okay. I'm gonna go and grab myself a drink.
주방에 들어서자 임무 목표물인 니콜라 거프 발견.
You're a professor too?
No, I'm a journalist.
I'd like to do something like that one day.
Sorry, I have to take this.
당장 따라가야 해.
Yeah, we're ready to publish. Hotel Oriental? Sure, I'll stay there too. See you there.
방금 들었던 숙소와 니콜라의 노트 기록 인증샷을 보냅니다.
I just went to see my friend.
Where was I? Young Irish women, almost all poor. They were tortured. Many of them died and were buried there. Unnamed grave.
니콜라가 원하지 않은 임신 후 아이를 뺏기고 버려진 여성들을 은폐한 기사를 터뜨리려 한다는 사실을 알게 된 해나는 혼란에 빠집니다. 확인 결과 니콜라가 묵을 숙소도 가짜. 기록 또한 숨겨져 알 수가 없는데.
The University of Barcelona, Kat Gelder.
타서더스의 정체가 캣 겔더의 아버지라는 사실이 밝혀집니다.
Start a tracking operation on the daughter. Give London the green light to intercept Nicola Goff.
What does Tacitus know?
곧 샌디에게 캣에게 접근하라는 지시가 내려집니다.
So today we're looking at consensus and conflict.
Kat, have you lost your wallet?
Catherine Gelder? Is this yours?
I'm Ray.
Sandy Phillips. I've been in the city a couple of months.
Do you want to come and eat with us, Sandy?
Sure, that'd be great.
Nicola Goss booked her ticket to Barcelona. We've had the order to intercept. Tomorrow morning, she takes the Northern Line to London Bridge.
고민하던 해나는 스티븐에게 달려가 정보를 건넵니다.
When is this to happen?
Tomorrow.
Following me at a distance.
Who is she?
Rachel and I work together.
There's just not many of us left anymore.
You heard of them? Pioneer, originally a small splinter cell group of nationalist radicals. I think Tacitus knows who the targets are. I believe he has a list in his possession.
해나를 미행한 줄스.
I think I have a friendship issue. Sir Robert Gelder has just bought a United Airlines flight to Barcelona.
It's to yourself. Deal with it personally.
해나가 배신자가 되어버린 상황.
Here's the book you ordered.
바르셀로나에서 지시에 따라 작전 중인 두 소녀.
Thanks for letting me tag along. So beautiful here.
Now there's villas in the hills that are owned by Brits and Americans, and most of them stayed empty all year.
그들과 한참 즐기고 있던 시간.
I'm just about to go to the airport now.
시간이 되자 해나도 움직입니다.
All okay?
All good. He's on the Northern Line. Train left 5 minutes ago.
줄스가 모든 걸 알고 있는 상황이라 스티븐마저 위험한데.
Sound. Then we get off. Leave her in there.
그런데 줄스에게 속았다. 한편 스티븐이 미행하는 걸 눈치챈 줄스는 스티븐을 암살합니다. 위험을 감지한 해나가 스티븐에게 열심히 달려간 그 시간.
Excuse me, Nicola? Sorry.
슬픔에 잠길 시간도 없이 그의 휴대폰을 꺼낸 해나는 급히 니콜라에게 달려갔지만 그녀 역시 둘 다 살해당했다. 잠시 후 바르셀로나에 도착한 캣의 아빠 로버트 겔더. 죽은 스티븐의 폰에 저장된 기록들을 살펴보는 해나. 클라라의 엄마가 살아있음을 확인합니다.
He has a briefcase with him?
Yeah.
We need it.
기사를 본 로버트는 바로 돌아가야 함을 깨닫습니다.
I may have to leave tonight.
Why?
I can't say. It might put you in danger.
Kat, please.
Tacitus checked out of Hotel Oriental this morning.
Do the girls know we need the briefcase?
They know.
She's not getting in the way of that. You take her out.
깊은 밤 마리사는 어딘가로 끌려갑니다.
High hear her father's checked out of his hotel. Find out for us.
샌디에게 새로운 임무가 내려집니다.
Got me up at the crack of dawn to tell me he can't see me anymore. He won't tell me where. I think he's gonna leave tonight. Actually, I have to go.
자신을 지켜보는 누군가를 느낀 클라라. 바로 해나.
What are you doing here? You should be in London.
I was in London. She was a journalist. She was about to come here to meet a man called Robert Gelder. Jules killed her. Gelder came here to give information to Nicola Goff about Utrecht. I need that list, Clara.
Just leave me.
설득이 통하지 않자 최후의 방법.
Mother's not dead. Now she lives in Egypt. They knew all this time and they didn't tell you. I'll be in touch.
그 시간 마리사를 분명 제거하려고 데려가는 듯.
Roger that. Execute and return.
You don't have to do this. I have money.
그런데 그때
We said we'd get you out.
마리사는 다행히 구출됩니다.
The target's leaving. We have to move fast. I'm finding out where he's staying. Leo's coming to support. Go home and get the gun, and we'll do it together.
A friend of yours dropped this out. Dark hair, German. Maybe you want to catch a movie later? The name of the cinema is Cine de Bar. Let's meet there.
혹시 해나가 말한 친엄마? 이 시간 학교에 들어와 캣의 정보를 캐묻는 해나.
I'm afraid I cannot give you that information.
당장 지혜를 쫓아가야 돼.
You heard any more from your dad?
Nothing. I have a Spanish phone number.
Tell him you want one lunch together.
Mannion is dead. We infiltrated Camp G to get you out. You heard of the Pioneer Group? Systematic takeover of the agency by people loyal to a new cult.
Who is he?
Robert Gelder, Washington insider. Think he's in Barcelona with a list of the Utrecht's target.
Hannah?
We think she may go to Barcelona. Protect Robert Gelder. We have to find her, Marissa, and help her.
샌디의 메시지가 도착합니다.
Sandy Phillips just messaged. Gelder is having lunch with his daughter.
This time we don't lose it.
It's not safe for us to meet, and I need to leave as soon as possible.
캣의 아빠를 만나러 가는 샌디의 뒤를 쫓는 해나.
I said hello.
Don't worry, Mr. Gelder. I'm not staying.
Just need a little time with my daughter.
당장 클라라에게 전화하는 샌디.
On my way.
You need to leave too. I have a document in my possession. I'm supposed to give it to someone here in Barcelona.
Why do I have to go back to Mom? Why can't you just leave me?
Catherine!
곧 도착한 클라라.
He comes out, follow him to his hotel, do it there. What the hell? Well, where do you want to go? Anywhere, just out of here.
식당을 나온 러버트. 해나는 러버트를 따라가는 클라라를 막습니다.
To get the envelope I left. Did you try the website? Yes, your eyes, Clara.
Sandy will find out where he's staying. Leo's flying over.
I have to. It's what Eric trained me for.
러버트를 놓친 후 샌디의 문자가 도착합니다.
I need to stop her, Clara. Where did she take her?
We lost the target.
You execute tonight. And remember, we need his briefcase.
해나는 아무것도 모른 채 샌디와 함께 클럽에 들어간 캣을 보호해야 하는데.
At your dad?
엄마의 답이 없자 힘없이 나가는 클라라.
I need you to come with me. Now.
What is this?
She took your phone. Just now.
해나의 말에 몇 가지 테스트를 해보는 캣.
Hey, I lost my phone. Have you seen it? One of the Americans, he's from Ohio. Believe that? He said he knew Bentleyville, right on the other side of town.
해나의 말이 맞았음을 확인한 캣은 빨리 튀는 중.
Leo, I lost her. I think I screwed up. Tell Metro Plaza. Ve rápido.
차가 필요했던 해나의 눈에 띈 스포츠카.
She's inside.
Sorry. Room 410. You're closed.
Contact made.
일단 훈련을 받은 이상 지시를 거부할 수 없는 클라라는 러버트를 암살할 준비를 합니다. 그때 캣 또한 나타납니다.
His daughter's there.
Tell her to kill both.
You sure?
러버트에게 가는 클라라.
Maid service.
잠시 후 캣이 도착하고 샌디 또한 도착합니다.
Did you see her? We kill them, get the briefcase, and leave.
Dad.
급하게 달려가던 해나.
Pickup of Clemency Jones's clothes complete.
이제부터 처단해야겠어.
Which room are they?
겨우 도착.
Please, don't touch her.
Where's the briefcase?
It's not.
I can't see it. Where the is it? We'll find it after. Do it. Get a move on.
No, I won't.
이런.
No. I'm going to count to 3.
해나가 나타났다.
Nobody come in here or I'll shoot him.
Could have killed him. I didn't.
Please don't do this.
하지만 결국 러버트를 쏴버린 샌디.
Hannah, we can't be here. We can go.
And if you want to live, you go now.
What is
언덕 위 저택들 중 한 집으로 들어간 해나와 클라라 그리고 캣.
Anyone else in the house?
They're British. They only come for weekends.
You do what we say, we're going to get along just fine. Don't worry, Kat. Everything's gonna be alright.
Actually, there's something I wanted to talk to you about.
로버트와 존은 같은 동료였는데
Martha Ferran. Jim Hogan, special advisor to the State Department. Mr. Gelder was a colleague here on confidential business on the department's behalf. Is this it? Nothing else?
Should there be?
임무 완료 후 쉬고 있는 샌디를 찾아온 리오.
The piece? Put these sheets on. Throw the old ones out.
You do that before they blow me wide open.
You should go to it.
We need to get her safe.
If we try to move her, they'll kill her. Robert Gelder was bringing something to Barcelona.
해나는 명단 파일이 어디 있는지 알아내야 하는데
I need you to tell me everything you know.
When I got to the fifth floor, there was a hotel employee leaving the room. He had something under his arm.
Clemency Jones, Mia Wolf, Catherine Gelder, Robert Gelder, believed to contain
Keep an eye on all of Clemency Jones's online feeds and social media.
그 시간 바르셀로나에 도착한 마리사는 로버트가 살해당한 사실을 알게 됩니다.
What hotel is that?
파일 찾으러 메트로 호텔로 다시 가야 하는 해나. 오픈카 타고 출발. 학교에 찾아온 형사는 전날 밤 캣과 함께 있었던 샌디를 찾습니다.
So you were with her last night?
We went to a club down by the beach. Where is she?
그리고 존을 만난 샌디.
Leo asked me to think about where they'd hide. I had an idea.
세 명의 아이들이 숨을 만한 곳을 알려줍니다.
She said how they were all empty most of the time.
Very proud of you. I'm telling you, they're in one of the villas up there. Red Seat, registration 4712GH. Find them. Close it down.
엄마에게서 답이 없는지 수시로 확인해보는 클라라. 드디어 답이. 뒤늦게 로버트의 음성 메시지로 확인한 비밀 상대 알바.
At the Metro Plaza Hotel, room 532.
호텔에 도착한 해나.
That's her. You sure? Can I see an ID, Mr. Garrett? We have your booking.
이제 클라라가 기억하는 이름의 직원을 만나야 하는데
Bernard, could you send him up, please?
Found it in the trash out the back of the hotel. It's empty.
Robert Gelder, he gave you a file.
I'm gonna make a phone call. Make sure our escape routes are clear.
그런데 그녀는 존의 부하였음.
What is it?
Mia Wolf's in the building.
알바에게 건네주기로 했던 파일을 해나가 가져가기로. 그때 알바가 도착합니다.
I need it for a bigger reason than that. Now.
I can't.
위험한 순간 나타난 마리사. 스파이 발견.
She was with Carmichael. She works for him. It's her. They used you to find me.
한적한 곳에 도착한 해나는 파일을 살펴봅니다. 암살 대상자들의 나이가 너무 젊은데 마리사는 샌디를 찾아갑니다.
Where are they?
이 시간 답답한 캣.
There's an alarm. Just have to press his number. Police will come and all over.
결국 경보를 울려버린 듯.
Possible break-in.
Did you do something while I was up there? What did you do?
Nothing!
Move! No! Called your friends, right? So what are you afraid of?
No dispareu! Hi ha una noia només, i no va armada!
빨리 숨어야 해.
I'm inside.
두 소녀를 죽이기 위해 움직이는 자들.
Not gonna hurt you, I promise.
I'm not going anywhere.
The other one we want, one who killed your dad. Kat, leave her. No one's going to hurt you.
뒤통수 맞을 준비 됐지? 리오가 총에 맞았지만 클라라가 위험한 상황.
Come on, hurry up!
이렇게 도망에 성공하나 싶었는데 명단 파일을 무사히 마리사에게 건넵니다.
We're controlling the future, Bobby. Wanna join us?
로버트는 존이 한눈 파는 사이 증거를 남겼던 것.
You keep this. Drive her to the airport. I'll send you a flight number.
존에게 달려가는 마리사.
This operation's over. List of target names, all under 30 years of age. True f***ing believer, aren't you, John?
캣을 공항에 내려주고 해나와 클라라만 남았는데
Just need something to eat.
Marissa wants us back at the villa. Now, your mother.
But she's traveling to Morocco, the coast, just in case.
This is for you. They've never seen it, they don't know the name. It's safe. When you get to Morocco, you and your mother disappear.
We'll see each other again.
You leave me now forever.
클라라가 행복해지길 바란 해나는 그녀를 보내주기로 결정합니다.
Good luck.
Got something? No. Nothing.
Khalil sadly didn't make it. Turn home required with immediate effect.
As far as your bosses are concerned, this is what happened. You killed him. Covered it up perfectly. And if anything goes wrong, I'll tell your bosses what you did.
What do you want?
Together, we'll take the pioneers down one by one.
런던과 바르셀로나에서 비밀 작전 중 마리사에게 협조하기로 한 존. 해나는 메도스로 돌아옵니다.
Going to lunch, returning at 13:55 precisely.
암살 명단에 오른 CIA 분석가를 만나러 가는 마리사.
The bill has been taken care of.
Excuse me?
Don't leave. You're looking at a list of targets for assassination by a rogue CIA. You're a CIA analyst that works across Central and Eastern Europe. Head up Paris Station, code Vesuvius. You can look me up. You have a girlfriend in the city. Consider what your best options are.
알고 있는 걸 다 말해달라 제안합니다. 본부에서 누군가 도착합니다.
And you're sure Vigler's dead?
Mia shot her in Barcelona. I disposed of her body.
비밀 메시지를 받고 급히 나가는 해나. 존과 함께 마리사를 만나러 갑니다. 마리사는 낮에 만난 이성과 대화 중이었는데
2 years ago, woman flown to Vienna.
메도스에 도착한 그녀.
Our spec was to create a data
Essentially subversive civilians.
spying on kids as young as 13, so I quit. Turns out, Stapleton covert ops from a group called Pine.
I need Hannah in Paris. Her given the first target, Abbas Naziri. I want to know who Stapleton's reporting to, who the chairman is. I'll discuss that with the chairman.
대화 내용을 좀 더 들어봐야겠다 생각한 해나.
Meeting's going on longer. She wants coffee now.
좀 더 깊숙이 들어가 봐야겠어. 예상대로 브리에나는 의장과 통화 중.
What he says happened in Barcelona, you believe him? Let's make sure we're not making any mistake.
It's just that cat.
Thought we were getting rid of it.
I think you know I don't like this point.
Ouais, ça va. J'ai besoin d'une autre faveur.
I gotta say, Mia's pretty special. She tops all the stats. You want to put her up first?
Paris, then?
Still a middle-ranking delivery guy. Why?
It's the top. It's a long way to fall. You're on first mission. Paris. Abbas Naziri.
해나가 누군가를 만나는 걸 목격한 샌디. 다음 날 아이들에게 각자의 임무가 주어집니다.
Target. Their patterns, how they live, how they operate.
Tu réapprennes à penser par toi-même. Tu te bats pour un monde meilleur, pour que les choses soient telles que tu aimes.
샌디의 수상한 행동을 발견한 테리. 해나에게 알려줍니다.
I represent the government of the United States of America. You will not meet again after tonight. When you complete it, you will be free to live the life you have created. Maybe in those future days, a last reunion will at some time be possible. So, enjoy tonight.
마지막 밤을 함께 즐기는 아이들 사이에 해나를 누려보는 샌디.
Whoa. Who did you meet last night, Mia? I go to the place where I secretly met Clement. In Barcelona. I shot her in the back of the head as she fled the villa. She was working with Vigla the whole time, not me. All I ever did was try to help you. If I'd shot at your skull in Barcelona, I would have hit it.
Okay. Think we're good?
그렇게 무사히 임무를 수행하러 떠나게 된 해나. 암살 타깃을 바로 찾아냅니다.
Excuse me?
second.
Sorry, I'm looking for a student house.
I can show you if you want.
Really? I'm a student. I'm studying politics.
What are you reading?
We're reading Fanon.
해나의 첫인상이 맘에 들었는지 전번까지 준 아바스.
Wanna maybe get a drink someday?
생각보다 임무가 빠르게 끝날 느낌인데 해나는 아바스를 다시 만납니다.
Benson.
I'm outside, ready and waiting.
La première des résistances doit être faite contre nous-mêmes. Mais la question qui se pose, c'est est-ce qu'on en est capable?
그런데 해나는 그만 아바스에게 반해버렸다.
Tu connais Mia, j'imagine?
I really liked what you said.
Grief only.
You've ridden before?
Just once.
무조건 좋았던 기억에 오토바이 태워주기까지.
Stay back, not too close. You stay clean until she's done.
아무래도 이번 암살 임무는 실패할 각.
What is going on?
She's going in.
You wanna go find a roof?
Okay, Mia, let's do this.
What are you doing? You're lying to me.
설마
We've lost audio.
Benson, get in there.
I sent someone to kill you.
Can't see you again.
이제 저들을 소개하는데
Lost visual. Moving in.
속인 거 맞지?
Why'd we lose audio?
The necklace broke.
Le corps d'Abbas Naziri a été retrouvé carbonisé.
Naziri collected enemies.
그렇게 아바스 암살 작전은 종료됩니다.
Ce sont chacun. Préviens tes amis. Si l'un d'eux part, je vous tue.
개척자 그룹의 의장의 정체를 알게 된 마리사.
Gonna find you, Mary. Mary.
어린 시절 자신을 학대했던 아버지 고든이었던 것.
He's in a safe house. Be ready to travel when I say. Whatever they do, we stay ahead of them.
아바스가 보고 싶었던 해나는 마리사를 미행합니다.
Stop here, please.
저기로 가면 아바스를 볼 수 있어.
Hi. Claire and I are trying to destroy an organization that wants you to think because you are a part of a future. They don't want to happen. When I hear you speak about resistance, it makes sense to me.
아바스의 얘기들에 큰 자극을 받은 해나.
You should leave now.
마리사의 메시지를 받은 이선. 클레어로 위장한 마리사에게 자료들을 보냅니다. 가짜 아바스의 장례식이 열리는 날.
Was this really necessary?
Listen, I think Abbas is having a visitor behind my back. See if you can find out. We need to deal with it. Derek ever talk about who ran your tracks above me? I'm talking on the phone. Someone from Pioneer.
Marissa, what aren't you telling me?
해나에게 다 말할 수 없는 사연이. 해나는 규칙을 어기고 다시 아바스를 찾아갑니다.
I saved your life, so I'm eating your cereal. Claire is suspicious. She knows someone came here.
결국 사랑에 빠진 두 사람.
The Paris operation was successful. Naziri is dead.
All right, then let's move forward with the second mission. Brianna, watch John Carmichael like a hawk.
다음 암살 목표를 위해 두 번째 임무가 시작됩니다. 그 작전을 막기 위해 떠나는 해나와 마리사. 두 번째 암살 대상은 환경운동가 카테르지나.
Don't care if you make powerful enemies?
Enemies make themselves.
Это твоя немецкая камарадка.
Камарадка. Between the two antennas, you see there's a girl in a red coat. And she's here to kill you.
그녀를 살리기 위해 암살자를 소개한다. 조심해 해나. 유트락스의 두 번째 암살 대상을 살리는데 성공합니다.
Environmental campaigner dies in tragic accident.
Good job.
이번에도 넘어간 듯. 해나는 지금 감시당하고 있다.
Her head's down. She stops to help this old lady. It's like a cut in her cheek.
Want you to go back to Paris, check on me. We'll tell no one you're going.
며칠 후 마리사는 고든에 대한 자료를 받습니다. 바로 누군가에게 전화를 거는데
Trace, it's Mary. And did he ask about me?
He said he saw you all the time.
I haven't seen our father in 22 years.
He always had plans for you.
누구보다 아픈 상처가 있는 듯. 세 번째 암살 작전이 시작됩니다.
I know what's going on. I'm here to help.
해나에게도 암살 타깃의 정보가 도착합니다. 로마로 떠나기 전 아바스를 만나러 갑니다.
I have the feeling someone was following me. Thank you.
I'm glad you came.
Tana, I'm named after my mother. I guess I fight for them so that they didn't die for nothing.
다시 러브 모드. 떠나기 싫지만 가야 하는 해나.
But I have to go.
I don't like when you live like this.
하지만 해나를 미행한 맨슨이 결국 아바스를 죽이러 오는 중.
Hannah?
이제야 눈치챔. 감히 내 남자를. 총에 맞은 아바스가 죽게 생긴 상황.
Nerissa, code red.
Benson's phone's still off. Should have called in by now.
뭔가 수상한 걸 발견한 브리에나.
We need to send the team to Paris now.
결국 존의 스파이 활동이 딱 걸려 버리는데.
New office, John?
이선은 비밀 프로젝트로 암살자 명단을 함께 작성한 후 그만둔 프로그래머 맥스를 발견합니다.
Thank you.
Hannah, so you were his girl. One of us should go, the other should stay and keep him safe. Okay, go to Rome, do the job.
Kill Naziri and the girl. Maximum force.
마리사는 살려두라 지시를 내리는 거든.
Let's talk about Marissa Viegler.
어쩔 수 없이 로마행 기차에 오른 해나에게 메시지가 도착합니다.
Nerissa, they know about us. Get him out of there, now.
마리사 또한 급하게 도망가는 중인데.
Get down!
When I stop the car, open the passenger door. Okay.
Get down!
혼자서 그들과 총격전을 벌이고 있을 때 도착한 해나.
You ran that way! We'll find him. I'll follow you. Where is Abbas?
아바스는 지금 위험 상황. 다행히 달리는 트럭으로 올라타 그곳을 벗어나는 아바스를 목격한 해나. 마리사와 함께 그들을 모두 키엘. 정체가 발각된 해나와 마리사는 빠르게 움직입니다.
Viegler and Wolf have been working together.
파리에서 리스본으로 가는 렌터카를 빌린 마리사의 흔적을 찾아낸 브리에나.
Me and Wolf on CCTV 5 hours ago, getting on a train heading to Milan.
두 사람은 계속 감시당하는 중.
I've flights booked to Mexico City, Istanbul, and Beirut.
한편 이선은 맥스를 뒤쫓는데 비밀스러운 만남 바로 찍어야 해.
Max Kaplan, CIA programmer who's working with Ethan in Vienna. Can't find anything on him, and the car's plates are fake. He's come to the same place every Monday for months.
브리에나 발견.
We need to go to Vienna.
What about Abbas?
아바스의 행적을 찾은 브리에나.
Okay, focus on Naziri. Leave Viegler and Wolf to me.
마리사를 찾기 위해 존을 조지기로 결정.
Where are they? Or don't you have anything else to live for?
I only talked to the chairman. Tell him I'd like to talk to him about his favorite agent.
You have 2 minutes.
It's about Marissa Viegler, but then you knew that.
Let me bring her to you.
Carl, it's your old Paris pen pal. I need your help. Current location on a company man.
Got a name?
Yeah, I'll send it.
존의 전화를 받은 마리사. 추적당할 수 있으니 시간 지켜서 통화하기로.
What was Benson doing in Paris?
I didn't know Stapleton sent him.
Activated Hannah first, gave you intel on the next 2 missions. How was Hannah doing in Naziri safe house?
아바스를 찾았다는 정보를 알려주는 존. 이건 분명 함정인데.
Carmichael says Pioneer has a lead on a bus.
I'll meet you there. As soon as I find
I
you.
even know that Carmichael's on the level. I don't have any of the guarantees that I need.
If you don't want me to go, you wouldn't have said anything. I'll make it to Vienna. Trust me.
함정일 수 있다는 가능성을 안고 해나는 프랑스로 마리사 혼자 빈으로 떠납니다. 칼에게 부탁했던 요원의 정체는
Alors, attendez, je vérifie. Vous êtes à quelle adresse?
아바스가 은신 중인 주소를 알아낸 해나.
T'es trop belle, mon cœur.
Qu'est-ce que vous faites là? Sortez de chez moi.
Anna, what are you doing here?
I have a lead on you, and I wanted to get here first.
해나가 의심했던 그의 또 다른 여자는 딸 나디아.
Yes.
그때 해나와 아바스를 잡기 위해 다가오는 놈들.
To get you out of here now. We don't have long. You never should have come here. She's not safe. I needed to see her.
Do it.
Copy.
Nadia, prends ta veste, dépêche-toi, dépêche-toi.
T'as dit que tu partais seule.
Je sais. Désolé, Sylvie, on y va.
Who lives next door?
Non, copain.
Sylvie!
탈출 시도하는 중 놈들에게 저격당한 나디아의 할머니.
Not in the apartment.
Find them!
어쩔 수 없이 당장 도망가야 한다. 무사히 그들에게서 벗어납니다.
Found the asset, he's safe.
Still combing a wide area. Marissa, I can help you.
수상한데
You've done everything I need.
통화 녹음 기록으로 마리사의 위치를 알아내려는 거든.
Augment that section.
Found the asset, he's safe.
That's German. Looping it.
She's coming to you.
Hi, Carl.
And you were asking about. It's kind of weird.
He's in New York and had an apartment, 85th Street.
Yeah, it's on all the databases.
It's a trap. They knew I was there.
Okay, I think Carmichael's playing us.
마리사는 해나와 통화하다 위험 지수를 눈치챕니다.
Let's get Abbas secure and then meet me in Vienna fast as you can.
개척자 그룹의 책임자 거든은 당장 메도스를 폐쇄 후 본부로 복귀하고 작전의 정보를 알려준 이선을 제거하라 지시합니다. 이선을 제거하는 임무는 샌디에게 내려집니다. 식당에 들렀다가 마리사의 메시지를 눈치챈 이선.
The lady said it was paid for.
Yes? She called just before you came.
다행히 샌디가 오기 전 그곳에서 나갑니다.
Now,
I don't want you to panic.
explain when I see you. Just message me when you leave.
아바스의 은신처를 찾아주려는 해나.
Attention, ma puce, tu restes loin des rails.
I'm going to Vienna. I'll find somewhere safe for you and your daughter.
Listen, I'm sorry you found out.
Are you still with the mother?
No, we split up when Nadia was a baby.
Well, you have a child, Abbas. It changes things. No child chooses this life. Do you understand? It's remote here. Could be good.
Et vous allez où comme ça? En vacances?
The family doesn't approve of us.
Auf Vanderen, vor Albinzer.
달리던 기차가 급 멈췄다. 이것은
Two men just got on the train.
Hors de Sainte Magdalena. La ferme, c'est pas loin.
도망갈 수 있게 시간을 벌어주는 착한 남자 덕분에 빠르게 피합니다.
Out of the way. Laisse-moi passer.
They're here. Hannah, they're here.
C'est un cadeau?
Comment il s'appelle?
아, 완전 귀여워. 짐 챙기고 있는 앤을 찾아온 샌디.
I'm actually on my way out.
It's just the 8th and 9th part.
앤이 위험하다.
I just need to know where he is.
갈 곳이 없었던 그들은 기차에서 만난 프란츠가 알려준 곳에 도착합니다.
Everyone who stays here to chip in.
She's not staying, it's just me and my girl.
I don't know why I'm here. This is new to me. I will come back for you, okay?
Be safe.
I told you, I don't know where he is.
This is your last chance. Where is he?
And the sheet music.
뱃속의 아이를 협박하자 결국 이선이 있는 곳을 알려준 앤.
Anne?
막 빈에 도착한 마리사에게 걸려온 이선의 전화.
I had to go. I saw someone outside trying to get in.
I just arrived in Vienna.
They've activated Sandy.
Ethan's hiding in the church near the Volksgarten.
해나와 만나기로 한 장소로 급히 달려가는 마리사. 테리에게 도움을 요청하는 해나. 교회로 도망가려던 이선은 샌디에게 붙잡혀 있는 상황. 도착한 교회 안에는 이선이 아니라 고든이 기다리고 있었는데
Been a long time.
이선을 죽이기 전에 가짜 유서를 쓰는 샌디. 넌 이제 끝났어, 샌디.
I brought you into U-Tracks all those years ago.
If I'd known you had anything to do with it, I would have run 100.
어릴 때의 트라우마가 또다시 기억나고
Picture the day that you left home.
I should have killed you that day.
I trained you. That's what I did. U-Tracks works.
Well, are killing kids based on some analyst?
9/11 bombers. You find them, they're in college. You wouldn't take them out.
How many enemies do you make along the way? What do you want, Dad?
I want you to come in and run U-Tracks. You bring her in, I guarantee her safe. Call me by midnight tomorrow. The answer's no, and there's gonna be consequences.
이젠 해나에게 붙잡혀 있는 샌디.
I need to get Anne. She's not safe.
If she's dead, there's nothing you can do.
You think she's dead?
Who is she? Who is this Gordon Evans?
Gordon Evans.
They think you're dead.
I know. I sent them the message.
I picked up a tail. I had to lose them before I came back. What did you do to her?
Use the precise words we were taught. We have a lead on Max's vehicle. They're using diplomatic cars, but they changed the
They
plate.
have this garage offside in the west side of the city.
We find the car, we follow it, find out what they're doing here.
맥스를 주기적으로 데려간 차량을 찾은 해나와 마리사.
That's the guy from Ethan's photos.
본부에 도착한 존.
My name's Terry Miller. I've just arrived from the Meadows.
What did Marissa Viegler have on you?
배신한 이유를 털어놓습니다.
Michael gave the target list to Robert Gill. Viegler found out, blackmailed him, arranged for his departure. I don't want to see his face again.
Stapleton, I need a cleaning crew on standby.
존을 제거하려는 사실을 알게 된 테리.
He left for a meeting 10 minutes ago. He won't be back for 3 hours.
I'll write him a note. Thanks anyway.
맥스를 기다리던 두 사람. 드디어 나타난 맥스.
Where is he?
I can't see him.
That's the old US Embassy. They shut it down about 3 years ago to move into a...
저 길 어떻게 들어갔지?
There's a midnight deadline.
Gordon Evans. See the chairman?
Yeah, Pentagon official. High up.
What happens if we miss this deadline?
More targets are killed.
그때 들어가는 방법을 안 듯.
Underground, there's a rumbling.
Maybe there's a tunnel.
고든의 제안을 받아들이기로 한 마리사.
You put me in charge of Pioneer and I'll bring Hannah in right now.
You've made the right choice.
고든을 안심시킨 후 요원들을 밖으로 유인하는 데 성공한 마리사.
Hannah, move. Inside. We have less than an hour.
개척자 그룹 본부에 침입하는 데 성공합니다.
We're here to meet Brianna Stapleton.
I'm gonna need some ID.
So sorry. Marissa, is that Max?
Come on. What are you working on, Max? Downstairs.
이 시간
I have to get him to sign this.
Zero contact. Sign this. Here.
테리 덕분에 살 수 있을 것인가? 지하 어떤 공간으로 들어간 해나와 마리사.
You're programming a computer to generate the target.
Deep learning algorithm. It'll make me as many lists as I want.
암살 명단이 만들어진 방식과 그 뒤에 숨은 무서운 진실을 알게 됩니다.
Global population set 0 to 30 years of
Not data points, they're people.
Well, that depends on your point of view. Every choice a person makes online changes them. Mindset has been proven to be a key indicator of future subversive.
How do we destroy it?
Copy of your algorithm, and I want all the target names you have. You have a backup hard drive.
What'd you do to her?
Take your pleasure.
I was captured by Mia Wolf and Marissa Fiedler. Advice? Go to ground. Await further instructions.
서버 날리는 중인 해나.
Level critical. Approaching.
어어 하지마.
Hannah, take the drive. Keep it safe. I need you to do the same for me.
Marissa.
Stapleton back here now. Tell her it was a false flare.
Where are we going? Let's get a move on.
죽을 위기에서 벗어난 존. 고든 만나러 가던 마리사 앞에 나타납니다.
He just ordered my execution. Down the hall to the right.
마리사는 서둘러 고든에게 향합니다.
Take out Wiegler and Wolf. Terminate if necessary.
해나는 생각을 바꿔 마리사를 도우러 란. 무섭지 않나 고든? 마리사가.
What did you do to disappoint me again? Show me that you're my daughter. Don't you cry. Where's Hannah?
She has the algorithm.
I gave you backbone.
What you did to me, jealous, possessive, right? Your time is up, Dad.
Go on then, Cookie.
과연 그녀는 고든을 쏠 수 있을까?
Marissa! Cover me!
순간 해나가 총에 맞습니다.
We can't both make it. You go, I'll cover you.
Politan Hotel, St. Charles Square, room 100.
I will kill him.
시선을 다른 곳으로 돌린 후 빠져나가는 마리사. 결국 해나는 붙잡힙니다. 이선이 있는 곳으로 돌아온 마리사.
I screwed up. She got away.
Here, get up. We have to go.
하지만 잡히게 생길 각.
Cover.
놈들을 따돌리고 탈출에 성공합니다. 고든에게 꼼짝없이 붙잡혀 있는 해나.
Set us back 6 months at least. This little baby threatened my life's work.
Your Mary has the USB. She's going to the press.
과연 해나에게 말했던 호텔로 들어가는 마리사와 이선.
The download of all the data collected leaks the algorithm.
하지만
Program detects a different host, locks down.
맥스의 암호가 필요했던 것. 고든은 이미 카타르지나를 찾아 죽였고 이제 아바스가 목표인 걸 알게 된 해나. 죽여버릴 거야. 어린 마리사에게 했던 짓을 하는 잔인한 고든. 이제 남은 목표 아바스를 찾기 위해 노력 중인 브리에나.
Where is he?
It's a cafe right by the station.
그때 큰일이다. 존의 행적이 발각돼 버렸다. 존의 메시지를 받은 마리사.
Can help you take U-Trax down. I have the codes for the U-Trax mission operatives there.
And in return?
$150,000. Fresh U.S. passport, new name. Design center at Vodgasa. 1 hour.
고든의 잔인한 신문이 이어질 가능성은 커지고 해나는 이곳을 파악하기 시작합니다.
Meds are for her?
No, just a meal. The meds are for someone else. Okay.
I'm not hungry.
마리사를 만나러 나타난 존. 하지만 그 앞에 샌디가. 최선을 다해 도망가는 존.
I killed a woman with a child in her. Target secured. Send pickup team.
이 시간 마리사는
Any problems?
No one said a thing.
Gordon Evans moved an entire diplomat. Do you think he did that alone? Bring ramp at the back. If you hear gunshots, meet me there.
고든은 이미 마리사가 존을 만나러 옴을 알고 있었는데 존에게 일어난 일을 모르고 있는 마리사.
Give me the stand-down code.
Told you once on this laptop.
뭔가 수상함을 느낍니다.
Where'd you get the computer?
I took it when I left Pioneer. I know I escaped, Marissa. We need to do this now.
모든 유트락스 요원들이 임무를 중단하길 바라며 뭔가를 눌렀는데
You just ordered your first terminations, Mary. And targets eliminated on your orders.
이런 속았다.
The USB you have is worth nothing. Stop fighting and join me.
You don't need to worry about me. You don't need to worry at all.
해나가 안전한 걸 확인한 마리사는 결정을 내린 듯.
She's turning herself in. Hold your fire. Give me your gun. Don't shoot!
결국 존은 이용당하다 죽게 됩니다.
She'll never join you.
Don't you fucking believe it.
해나도 이제 슬슬 탈출해야 함을 느낍니다.
Give her this and take her down the J-wing.
순식간에 탈출 시도 성공각.
Backup team on their way.
Copy that. Lock it down!
실패인가? 다시 붙잡힌 해나.
Human beings are.
Dangerous and not to be trusted. I can't hide. Attack.
J'aime pas la soupe. C'est dégoûtant. On dirait du caca.
Nadia, stop! Allez, dépêche-toi, lève-toi.
Nadia!
숨어있던 아바스는 결국 나디아 찾다가 위치가 발각됩니다.
T'étais où, ma puce? C'était un gros mot. Pardon.
We're fortunate to be alive. All dead. We're just waiting for one more.
조피아의 암살은 그녀 옆에 이웃으로 위장 중인 줄스에게 맡겨집니다.
You never came yesterday.
By way of apology. How about coffee then?
I was just working on my PhD.
Is this your PhD?
Yeah. All the mysteries of the universe are contained in these symbols. 3 years non-stop.
If you had a chance that you could make a difference.
Believe in the future.
주스는 임무를 수행하려던 마음을 바꿉니다.
You have to move from this apartment tonight.
Didn't go through with the operation.
Jesus. I'm here in Austria. I took a bus.
Nowhere else to go.
Don't call me again.
Where's my daughter? I need you to bring her in.
아바스를 두고 협박 중인 거든.
Give me the radio.
Kill team standing by, sir.
Cosmopolitan Hotel, room 100.
Don't with me.
마리사는 이 사실을 모르고 있는데
I had the chance to kill the man who's in charge of this. Couldn't do it. Jared, leave. You wait 5 minutes. Go to this hotel. Wait for me there. Okay?
Marissa, it's me. Meet me in the churchyard opposite. They found Abbas on the go.
고든의 지시에 따라 마리사를 데려오려는 해나.
You play it by the book. No one gets hurt.
Target is visible.
I'm wearing a what? There are cars at every exit. We are surrounded.
What did they do to you?
Doesn't matter. But I can't fight anymore. Eric raised me to fight. Fight and resist. It's all I've ever known. But I just cause more pain. Let's walk out together. A 6-year-old girl who has nothing to do with this, she will die. Trust me.
해나의 메시지를 읽은 마리사. 믿을 건 역시 해나뿐.
Cargo's with us heading home.
Mission to acquire target Naziri.
Please, could I get some water?
아바스마저 제거될 위기.
You want a coffee?
당장 알려줘야 해.
There's a man and his daughter staying with you.
Approaching base. Prepare to open doors.
개척자 본부로 오는 해나와 마리사의 목적은 오직 유트락스 프로그램을 무너뜨리기 위한 증거를 풀기 위한 것.
Don't push me! Marissa! Don't push me!
When they get to you, send the girl ahead alone and execute her.
해나를 죽이라는 지시를 내린 거든.
Stop here. Hannah first. My father in there?
You shoot, I shoot.
바로 지금이야, 마리사.
This is a red alert. Targets have escaped. Close down all exits.
Resistance from Naziri. Take him down.
뭐지? 감히 내 남자를.
What if they don't want to get out? She had this planned out. She brought her here deliberately.
고든은 당장 맥스를 제거하라고 지시합니다.
I need the private key to the thumb drive. You come take my place. Help him hold the pen.
빠르게 암호를 들고 튀어. 테리는 두 사람을 도와 출구로 안내합니다. 아바스의 은신처에 나타난 놈들.
Abbas Naziri. Where is he?
That's my dog.
You stay here. Watch her. The shed. Operatives down.
Enter inside. Searching the area now. And Naziri?
Negative. He's gone. Can't be far.
아바스가 위험해진 사실을 안 해나는 당장 그곳으로 달려갑니다. 이놈들과 함께 헬리콥터에 올라야 한다.
That's it. Let's go. Come on.
Surveillance camera that's gone out. Gotta take a look. Miller, what are you doing here?
한편 마리사는
Get that.
Get out of the car!
쫓기고 있는 아바스.
Denson, take the east side. Cover Jennings.
Allez, Max, tu restes ici, d'accord, ici. Je vais trouver une solution pour nous sortir d'ici. J'arrive.
해나가 아바스에게로 갔음을 확인한 고든은 모든 병력을 총동원합니다.
Okay, listen. That's not Stenson. Copy. Take her out.
Get on your knees.
What the hell are you doing here?
I told you I need your help. We're killing innocent people because we're told that they're dangerous. What the f*** are we? I'm your friend.
Take my keys to the apartment.
Let's go.
이선에게 가고 있는 마리사.
He has the thumb drive. He's waiting to meet.
I can take the message to Ethan. She needs you, Marissa.
At the Hotel Zeitel, room 411. If you don't make it, no one will ever know this thing existed.
마리사 또한 해나에게 달려갑니다.
What happened? Get up, man. He's gone in the forest.
Stop the car.
샌디에게 맡겨진 아바스 찾기 임무. 차를 발견한 아바스. 결국 실패하고 도망가다 딱 걸리는데
We have sighting on Nasiri.
Where's Nadia?
그 시간 마리사도 도착합니다. 줄스 또한 쫓아옵니다. 두 사람은 생각합니다. 이게 마지막인 건가? 배운 대로 탐지기원을 따돌리는 데 성공한 해나.
Let's go.
하지만 나디아를 찾아 아바스를 기다리고 있던 샌디.
Where's Hannah? Let's go.
샌디, 이번엔 정말 끝날 듯.
Hannah, stop! You would kill us. Sandy, tell her you won't. Tell her you won't. Hannah, stop! Sandy.
결국 아직 끝나지 않았다. 그들에게 포위된 해나와 아바스.
You move, we shoot.
Kill them all.
Sir, she's 6 years old.
마리사는 고든과 맞설 계획.
Confirm termination order. Give the order.
과연?
Confirm the order.
Stand down. Return to the city with immediate effect.
Stand out.
Who's Marissa?
You made it cold.
고든이 죽고 마리사 역시 위독한 상황.
It's done. It's done. You are good. You are good, Marissa.
I don't understand why you have to go.
It's not safe for you to be near me.
I don't care about that.
I do.
해나는 다시 혼자가 됩니다.